Welcome back students. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to download ideally software and how to download and run the ideally software in your computer. So what is meant by ideally? So ideally stand for integrated development and learning environment. It is used for creating and executing program. So simply you can write down the program in ideally and you can run it and the result will be displayed in cell. So see here, so this is the Python cell window. Means first of all, when we install the ideally and open it, this screen will appear in front of you. This is the shell window and this is the Python program window. So what is the difference between Python program and shell window? So Python program window is used to write down the Python program and Python shell window is used to display the executed program result. So see this one practically. So first of all, how to download the Python IDLE in your system. So for that, so this is the official website. So how to reach to that website? First of all, open Google search engine, hit enter, then in the search engine type Python IDLE download, hit enter. So see, this is the official website Python, www.python.org. just click on here. See, this is the download Python icon is here, just click on that. See at the top, at the bottom side, so we are going to download. In my machine already I have installed. Simply install this, download this software, double click on the software and give the permission to install the software and next finish. So this is step you have to follow to install the software. After successfully installation of this Python program, so next task is how to open the Python software in your laptop or computer. So once we successfully install, just click on start button, then type here IDLE, hit enter. So see, this is the opening screen. This is the opening screen of the Python IDLE. So see, this is the shell window. And how to open Python program window? Just click on file and new file. So this is the Python program window and this is the shell window. So what is the difference? Here you can write down the program and once you run the program, it will run here. For example, I'm going to type here, my name. Okay, so name is the variable, equals to, in single inverted comma I can write down my name. Okay, so simply I can print. Print is the command which is used to print what we have to print, my name. But where my name is stored? My name is stored inside the name variable. So simply I can use this one. How to save this file? Just click on file, then click on save, then give your file name. So here I will give the name dot py extension is the compulsory. Why? Because machine knows, so this is the Python program. So with the extension the software will identify this is the Python program. For example, if you want to store HTML program, then you should use .html extension. You already know about that. But how to store Python program? With the help of py extension. Remember this one, file name .py extension. Just click on save and see, this is the option run. Just click on run and click on run modules. See, here my name is displayed. So like this you can print the name. So my another intention is I have to take the input from user. So how you can take the input from user? Tell me. So by using input data type. So here name, so let me remove this, so you will get the clarity how to take the input from user. Name equals to, I will use input is the data type. Inside this you can give the message, enter your name, then use the print, simply print the name variable. So name is the variable. So we have taken the input. With the help of input keyword, you can take the input from the user and store inside the variable. So what is meant by variable? Variable is used to store the value. So here I use the name variable and simply I use the print command. Print is the command which is used to print the result. Simply file, then again save. So first time we have already saved our file with the name, file name .py extension. Just click on run. So see here, enter your name, the message is displayed. So here I can enter my name and hit enter. See, so this is the output. So like this we can take the input from the user. How you can take the input from the user? With the help of int. So move to the topic. So like this we can use the Python shell window. So Python shell window will display the result and Python program window will use to type the program. So what is meant by program? Program means the set of instruction. So once we executed, so it will look like this. So see, our next topic is typing, saving and executing a program. So how to type the program? So using which window? See, we can type program inside the Python program window. Then how to save the program? How you can save? File name .py extension. Py means Python. Okay. So for example, you have to store your file. For example, you have to store your file with your name. So your name is Rahul. Okay. Rahul.py. How you can store? Rahul.py. So .py is the compulsory after the file name. So see here, type print. So for example, you have to print addition of two number. So how you can print? So directly this will print inside here. So where is our shell? See, like this. So simply you can use print command and inside this you can use 10 plus 10. So directly the result will display. So see here 20. So like this you can print. With the help of print command you can print the result. Okay, let me close the previous file. Okay, then saving the file and executing. How to execute the file? See here. So simply you can use run and click on run module. So the program will run like this. Set enter. You can get the result in shell window. So what is next topic? Our next topic is so what is the shortcut key for run module? Directly you can press F5 after successfully save your program. So conditional statement. So what are the conditional statement? We will discuss. See here. So conditional statement. So first conditional statement is if statement. So first of all, understand what is meant by conditional statement. So conditional statement check for a condition in a program. Suppose if you want to perform some logical operation, that time you can use the conditional statement. So there is some keyword you have to use. So what are the keywords? If else, if nested, if else. So see this one practically. For example, you have to use the if statement. So if is the conditional statement. So what is the syntax? What is the syntax of it if statement? So here, see, this is the notepad. So what is the syntax? What is the syntax of if statement? So if opening and closing bracket, here condition, and then colon. So in Python you have to use like this. So if, so how you can write down the program? For example, you have to check the user can vote or not. For example, see here, if, so age is the variable. Here I have saved 10 value. For example, age is 18. Okay, if age is 18, so simply you can give above 17. Okay, if inside this, if I can give the condition age is greater than 17, simply I can print message. What message? You can vote. So see how the program will execute. How the program will execute. So first of all, check age equal to 17. So condition is true. So cursor will go inside this one, check if condition. What is the condition? Age is greater than 17. If the age is greater than 70, only that time this code will be executed, otherwise this block of code will not execute. So if is the block of code which is executed when the condition will true. If the condition will false, so program will not execute. The cursor will go out of this block. So see this one practically. So here I am going to type one program here on the basis of if condition. So here age equals to, I will take the input from user, age input. So input is the data type which is used to take the input from the user. Enter age. Okay, enter your page. This message will display. Okay, here I can give the condition if age is greater than 18, means here if the user give the input 18, so what message should display? It should print you can vote. So once user give the input, below this code you can type like this, like age equals to int age. So age will store as an integer inside this one. See how the program will execute. Simply save this one and run module, enter your age. So suppose 20, you can vote. Suppose I enter, suppose I am going to enter, okay, simply run more time. Where is the program? See, run module. Suppose I enter age is 10, so see, the program will not execute. So this is the about if statement. If the condition is true, then this block of code will be executed. So what is condition here? So condition is if the age is greater than 18, then this block of code will execute it. So take one more scenario here. See here, I will take one input like name. Name is the variable inside this. Name equals to, so input inside this, enter your name. So here enter your name. Once the user enter the name, I can give the condition. If name equals to Mahesh sir, okay, then print the message welcome. See what will happen. Simply save this program and simply run this one. Run module. See here, so let me take one more example. Simply I will use age C equals to input. If your age is above 70, so your younger message should be displayed. Age. Equals to int. I will explain this one, don't worry. See here, input is the keyword which is used to take the input from the user. So input will store inside this age variable, and this input, it will accept only integer type of input. Then if age greater than 17, so what message should display? It will print you are adult. Simply run this program, file and save. Simply click on run this one. Simply I enter 18, see message you are adult. Okay. Simply run one more time. Simply click on run. this time I will enter 10, so message will not displayed. So see, this is about the if condition. So if condition will executed when the condition will true. So simply see here, so simply inside the if, when the program will execute when the condition will true. So this is about the if condition. So let me move another topic, if else. So what is meant by if else? So if else is the another conditional statement. Inside this there are two conditions you can give. If this condition means if condition is valid, then program will go inside the if and execute. If the condition will fall, then else block will be executed. See here, so simply how you can use if condition. For example, age, for example, if condition age greater than 10, greater than 17, then message should display. What message? You can vote, otherwise else this block should be display. What message? You can't vote. So see here, so here you can give two condition. If this condition is true, then execute this block of code. If this condition is true, execute this block of code. Means if the condition is true, this code will be executed and print the message you can vote. If condition, this if condition is false, then else block will be executed. So see this one practically how the if and if else program we can use. So see, understand what is meant by if else. If else, inside the if else you can give two condition. If the first condition valid, then second, then block of code will be executed. See here, see, it allow you to execute a set of commands when the output of a condition is true, and another set of statement when the output is false. So see here, if I have given here, if the condition is true, this condition is true, only this block will be executed, this else block will not executed. If this condition is false, then this else block will be executed. For example, age equals to input, user enter the age, enter your age. So only I will take the input as a integer type. See, like this. See, if the user enter 18, so which blocks will be executed? This one. See, if age is greater than 17, means user enter 18, so condition is true. What message will be print? You can vote. If user enter 10, so first of all cursor goes here and check the condition. If age is greater than what? 17. What user enter? 10. So this block will not executed. This else block will be executed and print you can't vote. So see this one practically how to do if else program. simply remove this one from here. I can increase zoom. Okay, I can show code, configure IDLE. From here I can use 17. Okay, see here. See how to use if else statement practically. Age, so age is the variable input, so inside this I can print the message, enter your age. Okay, then age I will take input as a integer type only, means user sometime trying to enter string value, it will not take input. See here I can give the condition if age is greater than 17, so this message will print you can vote. Otherwise I can use else condition, cannot vote. So this is the logic. Simply file, save this file. How you can save this file with the name, file name voting.py. Save this file, simply click on run modules. See here, so there is one error. What is the error? Here is the error. Okay, else simply save this file, run module. See, enter your age. If I enter 18, you can vote. So this time which block is executed? So condition is true, I enter 18, means this block is executed, this will not execute. So means condition is true. If the condition goes wrong, this block will be executed. So see, one more time I am trying to run this module. This time I will enter 10. So see which block should be executed? Else block. See, you cannot vote. See this one, you cannot vote. So this is the logic behind if and if else condition. If the condition is true, the if block will be executed, and if the condition is false, then else block will be executed. So what is meant by if else? See here, it allow you to execute a set of commands when the output of a condition is true and another set of statement then the output is false. Means if allow you to execute set of code if the condition is true, if the condition is false, then else block will be executed. It provides two-way branching in a program. The first set of command is indented under the if statement and the second set under the else statement. So See here, you can give the two condition. One condition you can give inside the if, and second condition you can give inside the else. So simply understand what is meant by if else. Inside the if else you can give two condition. If the condition is true, the firstly if block will be executed. If the condition is false, then else block will be executed. So both box will not execute, only one box will be executed. If the condition true, then true if block will be executed. Remember this one. If the condition is false, then else block will be executed. So this is about if and if else statement. So what is our next statement? Next is if else if statement. This will discuss in next class.